Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, we are going to learn that how you can enable multitasking on your iPad. In the second part, we will learn how to use multitasking on your iPad. So do watch the video till the end and let's start our video. So the first thing is to enable multitasking, you need to go to the settings, find the settings app, just tap on that one. You need to scroll down where you will find multitasking. Here, you will find multitasking and gesture. Just tap on that one. As you can see, it's not enabled. So I will tap here, split view and slide over. So guys, now we already enabled multitasking. Let's get out of here. So now I will show you that how you can use multitasking. So the first thing is you need to open any application. Suppose I open the photos and here are the three dots at the top. You need to tap on that one. And then split view. So once you tap on split view, it goes to the left of the screen. And now is the split view, say choose another application. So you need to choose another application. I will choose Notes just for the sake of the video. And from here, if I want to drag anything from the photos here, like I want to just tap and hold and bring it here. So it will be added here. I can then drag it to become large as well. I can add something here and at the same times I can see my photos as well on the left of the screen. So guys, this is how you can use multitasking with different application on your iPad. It will make your work easier. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.